Om Namah Shivaya. Hi friends, how are you? In this video, we are going to learn about the key points of vitamins. Okay, key point of vitamins. Before going to the topic, please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Trust me, it shortens your learning time with better knowledge. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, guys. See this video if you like my explanation. Subscribe. Okay, coming to the topic. Key points of vitamins. The vitamins are accessory food factors required in the diet, and they are classified as fat soluble and water soluble. And the fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, K, and the water soluble vitamins are B complex and C. Vitamin A is involved in vision, proper growth, differentiation, and maintenance of the epithelial cells, and the deficiency of vitamin A result in night blindness. The active form of vitamin D is calcitriol, which functions like a steroid hormone, and it regulates the vitamin D regulates the plasma level of calcium and phosphate. Vitamin D deficiency result in rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. Active form of vitamin D is calcitriol, which functions like a steroid hormone, and it regulates the plasma level of calcium and phosphate. Vitamin D deficiency leads to rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. Vitamin E is a natural antioxidant necessary for normal reproduction in many animals. Vitamin E is a natural antioxidant necessary for normal reproduction in many animals. Vitamin K has a specific coenzyme function. Vitamin K has a specific coenzyme function. It catalyzes the carboxylation of glutamic acid residues in blood clotting factors like 2, 7 and 9, 10. Okay, 2, 7, 9, 10. And this vitamin K catalyzes the carboxylation of glutamic acid residues in blood clotting factors like 2, 7, 9, 10. Okay, these are the clotting factors 2, 7, 9, 10, and converts them to active form. And the thymine, also called vitamin B1, as a carboxylase, thymine pyrophosphate, is involved in energy releasing reactions. Its deficiency lead to beriberi. The coenzymes of riboflavin like FAD and FMN and niacin NAD plus and NADP plus take part in a variety of oxidation reduction reactions and connected with energy generation. Riboflavin deficiency result in chylosis and glossitis, and the niacin deficiency leads to pellagra. Riboflavin deficiency result in chylosis and glossitis, whereas niacin deficiency lead to pellagra. And the pyridoxal phosphate, the coenzyme of vitamin B6, is mostly associated with amino acid metabolism. The pyridoxal phosphate participates in transamination, decarboxylation, deamination, and condensation reactions. And the biotin, anti-egg white injury factor. Biotin participates as the coenzyme in carboxylation reactions of gluconeogenesis and fatty acid synthesis. Coenzyme A of pantothenic acid is involved in the metabolism of carbohydrates, lipids, amino acids, and their integration. Tetrahydrofolate, the coenzyme of folic acid, participates in the transfer of 1 carbon units like formyl, methyl, etc. in amino acid and nucleotide metabolism. Megaloblastic anemia is caused by folic acid deficiency. Okay, see here, it is very important, guys. Megaloblastic anemia is caused by folic acid deficiency. Megaloblastic anemia is caused by folic acid deficiency. The vitamin B12 has two coenzymes, deoxyadenosine cobalamin and methylcobalamin. B12 deficiency result in pernicious anemia. B12 deficiency result in pernicious anemia. Vitamin C, also called ascorbic acid. Vitamin C is involved in the hydroxylation of proline and lysine in the formation of collagen. Scurry is caused by the ascorbic acid deficiency. Therapeutic uses of the mega doses of vitamin C to cure everything from common cold to cancer have been controversial. Certain vitamins like compounds are choline, inositol, and PABA, para-aminobenzoic acid, and lipoic acid participate in many biochemical reactions. Okay, these are the key points of vitamins. Don't just watch and leave, guys. Reply me on comment section. Is it useful to you or not? Okay. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If anybody of you want any particular topic, comment me. Okay. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you.